Hey everyone, got in a new one today. This is actually a, as you can read on the package, a Workchamp XL. Just got this in for a customer's build. So this thing is massive. The this is the newer liner lock version, and yeah, I don't even know if I know everything that it has on here. Start with, it has the seat belt cutter, the rescue tool. This is you can open this up, catching it on your boot, pants, whatever, a seam, or just be able to reach it with gloves. We'll start this way because that was just the biggest one that I grabbed, or the first tool I grabbed. And we got the locking bottle opener. We have the can opener in all its glory. So next blade over should be the massive locking main blade. It does have the half stop, so quite a few of the liner lock versions do have. Next tool is the pliers, and it does have the nail nick on this side, on the back side. And that also means that we should have Phillips. We do. We have a Phillips on the side of it. Should normally they pop down when there it is. All right. Next up is the serrated gutting hook. Seen it called a few things. These are commonly they were on the 108 millimeters. They usually on the fireman knives or the older Jumpmaster knives. So, all right, moving right along. Normally that would put us at scissors, I'm guessing. Scissors that I can't seem to reach. There it is. All right. So scissors. Got scissors, that means across from it is the narrower Phillips. Boom, boom. Alright, what do we have next? Normally it's a saw blade. What do we have? It looks like that is the file metal saw, however you want to work it. Boop. Next up, wood saw. And what do we have here? We have, this is the hoof cleaner, the pick. You can use it for digging out a lot of things. That means across from it should be the combo tool. It is indeed the combo tool. So then the next tool is that seatbelt cutter rescue tool that I mentioned earlier. And what's the last thing? Last thing, it looks like it's the older style Marlin spike. You can put tools in here, the clevis type tools to be able to turn it and everything. Yeah, so got that sewing eye, rigging eye. On the back side you have the corkscrew with the micro screwdriver, and not one but two awls. So the swear on a lot of the bigger knives, they'll have like 91 millimeters. They'll swap the fine screwdriver and the wood chisel are the same thickness, but on the 111 millimeter, the liner lock one specifically, they have thicker awls. So that's what goes in there. They don't actually have a tool that would easily swap that out. So just a bit of comparison. And at one point I had calipers here, but anywho, so this is it. Next to this is the old style Champ. So the newer ones would have the extra plier layer. So this is the Swiss Champ XLT. So it's a similar thickness to the XLT. And this is it. Next to its little brother, the Trekker, the one-hand opening Trekker. So it's pretty beastly. So we can get a weight on it here. So this guy is at 340 grams. So put that in comparison. The XLT's at 238. The normal Trekker is at 131. And I do have calipers here. So the calipers, let's see here. Let's get a thickness on this guy. This thing is official thickness here. It is 41.57 millimeters. So, or 1.63, so in between a 1.5 and 1 3/4 inches, so somewhere in that neighborhood. What is that? 5/8, 1 5/8, somewhere in that neighborhood. So yeah, that is the Workchamp XL. So probably adding a few more tools to this guy and sending it on it and swapping out the scales. But yeah, that'll be something for another time. Have a great day.